Hello students, Ncert Solutions, Class 12 Physics, Chapter number 2, Electrostatic Potential and Capacitance. Question number 7, 3 capacitors of capacitances 2 picofarad, 3 picofarad and 4 picofarad are connected in parallel. A part, what is the total capacitance of the combination? B part, determine the charge on each capacitor if the combination is connected to 100 volt supply. Here students, according to this question, there are 3 capacitors. C1 is equal to 2 picofarad, पहला कैपेसिटर, दूसरा कैपेसिटर हमारा 3 picofarad and third capacitor is of 4 picofarad and all these are connected in parallel. ये सभी कैपेसिटर्स हमारे पैरेलल में ज्वाइन हैं. ये सर्किट डायग्राम, all 3 capacitors are joined in parallel. इस तरह से तीनों कैपेसिटर्स हमारे पैरेलल में ज्वाइन. This here C1, C2 and C3. Now the equivalent capacitance we know. First part में equivalent capacitance है. Total capacitance of this combination. We know that the equivalent capacitance or the total capacitance is given by this Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. तीनों पैरेलल्स में हैं, तीनों कैपेसिटर्स पैरेलल में. Therefore total capacitance is given by C1 plus C2 plus C3. Now on putting the values, this is 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to, this is 9 picofarad. The total capacitance of this combination is 9 picofarad. Now B part में कहता है determine the charge on each capacitor if the combination is connected to 100 volt supply. If we join a 100 volt supply here across this combination, 100 volt supply, V is equal to 100 volt, then हमें चार्ज चाहिए, चार्ज ऑन ईच कैपेसिटर. बट हेयर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम इसके अक्रॉस कैपेसिटर C1, C2 और C3 के अक्रॉस पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस देखते हैं. तीनों कैपेसिटर्स पैरेलल में हैं, तो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस across each capacitor is equal to 100 volt. Therefore charge on capacitor C1, that is Q1 is equal to C1 into V, and this C1 is here 2 picofarad into V is 100, so this is equal to 200 picocoulomb. Similarly, charge on capacitor C2, that is Q2 is equal to C2 into V, and C2 is equal to 3 into 100 is equal to 300 picocoulomb. Now charge on capacitor C3 is equal to Q3 is equal to this C3 into V, and this C3 is 4 micro, this is 4 picofarad. 4 into 100 is equal to 400 picocoulomb. तो इस तरह से हम चार्ज कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं ऑन ईच कैपेसिटर Q1, Q2 एंड Q3. और फर्स्ट पार्ट में हमने टोटल कैपेसिटेंस कैलकुलेट किया the Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 is equal to 9 picofarad, and here charge on first is 200 picocoulomb, charge on second is 300, and charge on C3 is 400 picocoulomb. तो इस तरह से कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. आशा करता हूं कि आपको सभी को समझ में आया है. थैंक यू.